Most people get this wrong when they hear Bahamas Residency by investment. They think it is a simple way to move, get a passport shortcut, and automatically stop paying taxes. That is not how it works. Here's the truth no one tells you. Residency in the Bahamas does not automatically erase your global tax obligations. It only changes how you are treated under local law, and even that depends on your structure. In this video, you will learn how Bahamas Residency by investment works in 2026, what it actually gives you, and how people legally structure their move to reduce or optimize taxes. And in a minute, I'll explain the biggest mistake that causes people to think they are tax-free when they are not. Let's start with the basics. The Bahamas, officially the country of Bahamas, offers residency options for high-net-worth individuals and investors. One of the most common pathways is through real estate investment or significant economic contribution. But here's the problem. Residency is not the same as citizenship, and it is definitely not the same as tax non-residency in your home country. Step 1 is understanding the type of residency you are applying for. In most cases, investors obtain either annual residency permits or permanent residency after qualifying investments. The most common route is real estate investment above a certain threshold. Step 2 is making a qualifying investment. This usually means purchasing approved real estate or investing in local economic activity. Now here's where it gets interesting. The property must often meet government approval standards, and not every investment qualifies automatically. Step 3 is submitting your application with proper documentation. This includes proof of funds, identity verification, background checks, and investment proof. Any inconsistency here can delay or reject your application. Step 4 is maintaining your residency status. Some permits require renewal or proof that you are still maintaining ties to the country. Now let's talk about the tax question. The Bahamas is known for having no personal income tax. That is true locally. But your home country may still tax you based on citizenship or tax residency rules. This is where many people, like Alex, make a critical mistake. They move physically but fail to formally break tax residency in their original country. Now here's the key insight. Tax optimization only works when three things align: your residency status, your actual physical presence, and your exit from previous tax obligations. Without that alignment, you may end up paying tax in two places or being non-compliant without realizing it. To summarize, Bahamas Residency by investment offers lifestyle flexibility and a tax-friendly environment locally, but it is not an automatic tax elimination tool. Proper structuring is essential. If you want more clear breakdowns like this on global residency and offshore strategy, like, comment, and subscribe so you do not miss the next guide.